Hey guys, it's your boy Jay Kabata back here with another video.
It's your boy.
In today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys how much I got paid for the month of January and February in dividend income. I got paid by a total of 11 companies and a total of 15 dividend checks. Those dividend checks are great because I did absolutely nothing. It was all passive income. I made money literally when I slept, and I made money just for buying the stock and just holding it. I appreciate all the support you guys have given me. It's keeping me motivated to keep making videos to help you guys as best as I can. My goal with this channel is really just to help as many people as I can, and I just want to grow our wealth together. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm going to leave my Robinhood link down below in the description. If you haven't started with investing, get started with investing. It's literally changed my life, and it's definitely something that I recommend. With that said, let's get into the video. So as you guys can see here, my portfolio is around $73,000. I'm down for the day. It looks like it's starting to climb back up. And the major thing that I want to point out here is that those $73,000 are not all invested into dividend companies. So I used to be a strong dividend investor, and then I kind of switched over to growth investing. And honestly, right now I can say that most of my portfolio is growth, but I am going to start getting back into dividends. The first company that I got paid dividends from is going to be VICI. And as you can see, I had a total of 72 shares. I got 33 cents per share for a total of $23.76. And this was my first dividend of the year. Let's see what Vici is currently trading at now. Vici, VC, it's VICI Properties. You guys get it. So basically they're trading for $28.67 right now. I have around $2,091 invested in there. Their dividend yield right now is 4.35%. So that's huge. You know, that's definitely helping me get a lot of money. I do have 72 shares, and that definitely helps. Hopefully by the next time that I get another dividend investment, it's going to be 73. And basically what that company is that it's a REIT for the gaming industry. So the second company is going to be Main Street Capital, ticker symbol MAIN. I have about 71 shares. I got paid about 20 cents per share, and I made a total of $14.73. Main Street Capital is basically like this bank that lends out loans to smaller companies. As we can see here, the price is $38.86. My average cost was around $26. And then their dividend yield is 6.25%. I definitely do want to get this to 100 shares. You know, this is one of those companies that I'm holding long term, and it pays monthly, so that is definitely a huge benefit for it. The next one that I got paid for, so this is going to be the third one, is going to be MGM Growth Properties, ticker symbol MGP. I have about 47 shares. I got paid about 48 cents per share, and then I made a total of $23.23 for that. MGP is another REIT, and their dividend yield is 5.67. This is also one that I do want to get a little bit higher, maybe to around 70 to 75 shares, and they pay quarterly. Store Capital is the next one. So at the time I had 6.4 shares. I got about 36 cents per share for a total of $2.32. Store is currently trading for $34.34. And they have a dividend yield of 4.14. So I don't currently own Store anymore, just because I was telling you guys that I did switch from a dividend to a growth investor. I do want to get back into it. You know, I am going to start buying a lot of these dividends. I wish I hadn't have sold it, but I'm not too mad about it, just because I did invest that into growth stocks, which have made me more money. But I definitely do want to start to pick up more dividend stocks. The next one on the list is going to be Stag Industrial, ticker symbol STAG. So I have around 30 shares. I got around 12 cents per share, and I made $3.65 out of it. Stag is down for the day, and Stag is also a REIT. The thing I really like about Stag is that it's a monthly paying dividend, and they have a dividend yield of 4.19. I'm going to be honest, I do just really like those dividend companies that are monthly paying, because then you can definitely predict that and have that passive income later on. The next one on the list is going to be probably one of my favorite paying dividend companies, and that's going to be Realty Income, ticker symbol O. I have 59 shares right now. I get paid about 23 cents per share for a total of $13.90 a month. This one is a monthly paying dividend company. They're currently trading for $63.87. Their dividend yield is 4.38%. With O, I definitely do want to have around 100 shares. That is just one of those companies that have been paying dividends for so long, and it is definitely one of the best paying dividend companies that I can personally think of. The next one on the list is going to be SPHD, PowerShares S&P 500 High Dividend Low Volatility ETF. So I have 97 shares. I get paid around 14 cents per share. I'd say actually more around 15 cents. It's 14.9. And then I made a total of $14.51. This one's great because it's an ETF, so it has a lot of companies in it. And it is also a monthly paying dividend ETF. Their dividend yield currently is 4.83%. I have approximately 97 shares, and this is one that I do want to have 100 shares for. At the end of the video, I'm going to give you guys another one that I'm going to continue to invest in. I just picked it up today, and it's actually going to replace my SPHD ETF. Here's the last company I got paid from in January. So it's going to be SPY, the S&P 500. I had about 10 shares. I made about $1.58 per share, and then that's for a total of $15.93. They pay quarterly. So SPY, I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys all know what that is. That's the 500 pretty much biggest companies. They're currently trading for $3.95. And then their dividend yield is 1.53%. Those are going to be all the companies that I got paid out for the month of January. I got paid out by 8 different companies for a total of $112.03. I think that's great. I made $112.03 for doing absolutely nothing. That is definitely one of the great benefits of dividend investing. Let's get into the month of February. So for the first one that I got paid for, it's going to be JP Morgan, ticker symbol JPM. I have 5 shares. I get paid about 90 cents per share for a total amount of $4.58. They're currently trading for $154. I'm up 68% on them. That's great. And then their dividend yield is 2.32. They pay quarterly. I definitely do want more JP Morgan. I want to say I want around 10 to 20 shares by the end of this year. The second one on the list for February is going to be Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. I have 32 shares. I get paid around 20 cents per share for a total of $6.59. And Apple does pay per quarter. Apple is currently trading for $124. I'm up around 33%. And then their dividend yield is 0.66%. So Apple is one of those growth stocks. I have it more in growth terms, but they do pay a small dividend. I love Apple. I definitely think that Apple is a buy, regardless if you're looking for it for a dividend or for growth. It is definitely more of a growth company though. So here's Main Street Capital again. I have 72 shares still, 20 cents and a half, for a total of $14.82. That's that one monthly paying dividend one that I was talking about. The next one is going to be Stag. Same thing, another monthly paying one, 30 shares, 12 cents a share, for a total of $3.69 for that month. Another one, a monthly paying dividend, my favorite one, 59 shares, 23 cents a share, for a total of $13.96. Here's a different one, Prospect Capital, ticker symbol PSEC. I only had 1 share. I got 6 cents per that share, so I made 6 cents. I don't currently own this one. I sold it. I got it for free. They definitely have a high dividend yield at 9.38, but I just need to look more into the company. I don't just buy a company just because it has a high dividend yield. The last one on the list is going to be SPHD, that other monthly ETF. I get 14 cents per share for a total of $14.17. So for the month of February, I got 7 dividend checks for a total of $57.87. It wasn't as much as January, but I am definitely happy with that much money. Like I said, that is completely all passive income. If you combine both of those months together, I made approximately $169.60. And then if you divide it by both of those months, I'm around $84 average per month. That's not bad at all. I mean, $84 an average per month for doing absolutely nothing. My goal is to have around $500 a month as passive income just from dividend stocks. I did tell you guys that I'm going to show you guys one dividend ETF that I'm investing now and that I'm going to continue to invest more than SPHD, and that's going to be PI, P-E-Y, or Pay, however you want to say it. So they're currently trading for $20.16. I have 24 shares. I just put in $500 today. My average cost is $20.18. I'm down around 50 cents. They have a dividend yield of 5.01%. So in the last 5 years, they're up 44%. So they're continuing to grow. Let me just show you SPHD real quick. So SPHD is only up 17%. That's a huge difference. And although I am going to keep SPHD because I do want to get paid out from multiple ETFs, I definitely think investing in Pay is going to be the move for now on. My goal is going to be to get that dividend ETF to at least 100 shares or even 200 shares. That's going to be all of my dividend income payments that I made for the month of January and February. As I said, I have become more of a growth investor as of recently, but I definitely do want to start heading back towards that dividend route. I maybe want to make my portfolio 60-40, maybe 60% growth, 40% dividends. And I think if I do that, that'll definitely help me reach that $500 a month goal in the future. Comment down below. Let me know what you like more. Do you like growth investing or dividends? And let me know why. Both of them definitely have their pros and cons. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this where I show my portfolio, where I show what I'm investing in. I appreciate all the support you guys have given me. As I said, the point of this channel is to help me grow with you guys. There's absolutely no reason why many people can't make money in stocks. Once you learn a couple things, it is pretty simple to start making that money. I'm leaving my Robinhood link down below in the description. You guys know what to do with that. If you haven't started investing, start now. If you want to get in contact with me, make sure to follow me on my Instagram at JEKabata. Just message me on there. I definitely reply to everyone on there. That's just the social media that I currently use the most, and it's honestly the easiest for me to use. Anyway, until next time, guys, let's keep growing our wealth together.